So for today's video, we're gonna be doing some like what's in my bag, like for HUMSS students, like ano ba yung mga essentials. Wow! Ano yung mga essentials, especially when you're like, kahit na grade 11 ka pa lang or 12, yes. Ano kasi, right now, we're currently in our senior grade, like 12th grade, we're graduating.
Graduate ba?
Oo, girl, we're gonna see Araneta. Ayan na nga, dito na. Let's start now without further ado. So, I got this bag from, I'm not sure.
Prada.
It's Prada. Yes, it's branded, okay? I'm not, very high maintenance. So that's my bag. Very new, very big, very, because kapag nasa senior high ka na, you're gonna do some research. Kaya kailangan mo magdala ng laptop, diba? Kasi yung laptop here. So, very nice. So, how about you? Show us your bag. Look at this microphone.
Ang cute-cute ng microphone. Okay. This is my bag! And kita nyo pa lang sa labas, pang Korea na, diba? May name tag, ganyan. Tapos, dati pa to eh. Sa kapatid ko to actually, nagpalit kami ng bag. Tapos, ayun. Galing tong CNA. So, di naman, branded pa rin naman. Di ba?
Pero hindi katulad ng Prada.
Prada, okay. Basta, tapos may logo siyang aso dito. Hindi ko alam kung kita niyo. Basta yan, yun. Ayun naman. Luma na to.
Yes. Let's see what's inside. First of all, I have 2 wallets. Yes, can you hold the mic for me, madam? So, 2 wallets. Yung isa for coins and yung isa for, the paper bills and stuff. Because, para para ito yung lagi kong ilalabas kapag kailangan na pamasahe. Tapos, kung mas-snatch man sa akin, okay lang. Kasi, I got this. And then, we also got some, wow, alam mo, ang dami. Earphones because wala lang.
Nakaka-depress kapag walang earphone.
Yeah, kahit na hindi ko siya nagagamit kasi lagi may ginagawa. Wala naman talagang spare time. Pero just in case.
Okay.
And then some red ball pen. Yes. How about yours?
Ito. 4 pesos. Di ba? Walang wallet. Ando yung wallet ko. Tapos ball pen.
Yawan mo naman na yung ball pen.
Diba? Tapos lapis. Diba? Tapos science calculator kahit wala na kaming math ngayon. Pero since meron kaming review para sa college entrance exam.
Don't mention that. Charot!
Basta yun.
Ayoko lang kasi alala.
Meron akong science calculator.
Pero diba nga, kailangan na rin natin mag-practice na hindi nagka-calculate. Duh! Well, I have more. So, sige. So, like you, I also have...
Diba?
Well, yun nga, HUMSS, not much sa science and math. Pero meron pa rin naman lalo na sa grade 11. So, kailangan nyo talaga ng cycle sa grade 11. Sa grade 12, I don't know.
Depende sa strand mo kasi sa HUMSS, wala na kaming math.
So, next item, we've got some pencils, hindi pa rin mawawala yung mga pang-kinder na gawain. Like, mag-drawing ng ganito, mag-drawing ng ganyan. So, you might need them, pero wala akong sharpener, so that's depressing, Also got, susi sa bahay, ID, and more ball pens, I think. Yeah, ball pens, highlighter, yung number sa PE last year. I don't know, baka palitan siya ngayon. I don't know. Marami akong highlighter dito, pero, yeah, like highlight. Pero kahapon ginamit yung isa, hindi na nabalik. Stupid ass bitch. Ayan, more highlighters and then some white, what do you call this? Correction tape, yes. So there we have, folks. So are they really essential? I like using highlighter. Yeah.
Pero, libro ba? Wala naman.
Oo nga pala, no?
What the heck?
Well, ngayong year pala, wala kaming
Oh, no books. Pero optional, di ba? Pero di naman required, di ba?
Oh, hindi naman. We're gonna use ebooks. Yeah. Well, if you're studying in a school na may books, the traditional way, ikaw, it's up to you kung gusto mo ng highlight. You're next. Hold
Okay.
your freaking mic. Be independent.
Ano ba? Saan ako mag-uumpisa? Sobrang dami. May dalawa akong suklay. Una sa...
Isasuklay sa ulo yung isa.
Dalawa, ayan. Brush pati comb. Ganun. Tas may pouch ako, lalagyan ng mga kaartehan. Number na tubig. Tapos may towel ako. Tapos may pabango. Kasi glue. Stick glue. Tapos pencil case na dugyot. Basta yan. Ang dami kong pen. Pero half ata dito wala ng tinta. Ito din, binder. Na may filler.
Is that from last year or is it a new one?
Last year. Pero pinalitan ko lang ng filler. Kasi sayang kung bibili ka pa ng bago, Tipid-tipid tayo ngayon. Basta ayan.
So yon tip.
What tip?
Tip of my tongue.
Ano?
Hindi, kapag bibili ka, wag na binder.
Oo, kapag may
Filler na lang.
Kunyari grade 11 ka. Ganon. Tapos may nabili ka ng binder. Tapos na grade 11 ka. Ay, grade 12. Huwag ka na bumili ng panibagong binder kung ayos pa naman yung binder mo. Filler na lang. Kasi 50 pesos lang ata yun, pero limang pieces na.
Yes.
50 pesos lang. Sa SM na yun
Yes.
Ganun.
Kapag binder, 200.
Oo, diba?
Save
Yeah.
so much.
Save your wallet, ganun. Tapos, yellow pad. Sobrang kailangan. She's thick pa. Thick pa ngayon. For now.
Good na yan for one sem siguro.
No.
No.
Half the same. Ganun. Ba, kapag close na lahat, tapos nagkakaubos na ng papel, ayan. Tatakbo na yan sila sa'yo. Pengin papel, ganun. Diba? Pamay pa! Oh, essential. Kasi wala kaming aircon sa room.
Meron, but we can't.
Yeah. Yun. Ano pa ba? Ito, ano ba tawag dito?
File case.
File case? Case? Andito lahat ng mga kailangan sa school. Mga bond paper, mga dumi din. Gano'n.
Well, let's hop on to my bag, to my things. Is that ASMR too? Charot lang. So, first of all, I have payong because it's essential when it's sunny, when it's rainy. Pero I don't really use it when it's sunny kasi tamad ako maglawas ng payong. Kaya I always end up being 2 shades darker than I actually am at the end of the school year. And then I have this, what do you call this? Purse, pouch, whatever. And then I got this. Lalagyan itong mic na to. I just bring it with me anywhere I go. Kasi I don't want to leave it sa house. Kasi I don't want anyone touching it, okay? And then I've got my reg card with my 1x1 inside. Pati yung mga luma kong reg card andito. Pati yung mga cards ko andito. Just so I wouldn't lose them, And then I got my fan too, bitch. This notebook, meron din siyang 1x1. It's supposed to be gray. Does it look like gray?
No.
Diba? Nung pinrint ko, yun nga, nung pinrint ko siya, hindi na siya gray. So I also have my filler here from last year.
Your binder.
My binder with filler, I mean. And then I also have my old fillers. Just in case kailangan ko ng scratch kasi. And then what else do we have? Some extra notebook for ang nipis na niya. Parang dati hindi naman ito manipis. Ano nangyari? So, yun lang, kasi for taking down notes for stuffs, like kapag may homework, kapag may kailangan dalhin na materials, I write it down here. Pag kailangan may mga group works, basta kapag mag-organize ng gawain, ng keme-keme, yeah, I write it here. You always need an extra one. Some handbook to, you don't really use them. And then I got some folder with bond paper and colored papers kasi pinapadala sa amin. Yun lang, para lang sa group activity, but yeah, di pa naman nagagamit. And then I also have yellow pad. She's thick.
She's thick pa.
Yeah, for now. Yeah, hindi siya magkasya sa kay file case kasi she's too thick, I also got my own file case,
Pink one.
I got a pink one. It's kind of broken, but we work with what we have, okay? So got some ruler because I can't draw without a ruler. Kahit bilog pa yan or curves, I'm still gonna use a ruler. I swear.
Bilog.
Oo nga, I swear.
Okay.
Like, that's me. That's okay. Ayun, some index card. Kompleto ko yung sizes.
Yeah. Oh
I
my
like
God.
1/2, 1/4, and then a bunch of 1/8. Nawala na yung lalagyanan. So, that was it. That's it. What do you guys got from this video? Charot. Nothing.
Dati magka-classmate kami, grade 11, pero ngayon, hiwalay na kami, break na kami ni diba? Com-art siya, ako, psych. Ano naman yung masasabi mo sa mga classmates mo ngayon? Yung mga expectation mo sa mga subjects, ganun.
Ano ba?
Ano po?
I'm expecting it to be challenging. Katulad din naman ng last year, challenging yung last year, but like in a different way. And you know what I'm talking about. Because last year we got a bunch of idiots. Charot lang. Charot lang.
Oh my God.
And then, ngayon, diba, we got a bunch of Einsteins. So, ayun lang naman.